It's been a while since you heard my voice. I know. So no excuses. I've been mad busy. Anyway, let's get to this. We got the SONY MDR-7506. It's a legend. It's been out for a while and I now got one. Let's just unbox this. Let's see how it is inside and we move on. So let's go. I like that. Professional. Let's see the back. Anything interesting? Y'all can read it? Yes? No? Good. On the side, nothing too drastic to note. It's just a headphone, right? A professional headphone. Well, the experts are saying that this particular one gives you a flat sound. The other headphones, like the ones you see on the market, general headphone, consumer headphones, the headphone itself is trying to probably boost the highs, probably boost the lows, probably work on the treble. They will tune it such that it sounds good in your ear, all right? But this particular one is not meant for that. This is meant for you to monitor what you're recording. So I got one, simple as that. Now, it might not help my production, but hey, at least I got the right tools, right? Service manual, okay. Well, if you want to service your headphones, if you want to service these ones, at least you know how to start before you realize you don't know what the hell you're doing and call the real experts. What's on the box? The plastic film. I don't know if you can see it. It says a full reproduction of digital music. Yeah. Get some limited warranty documentation. Okay. Let's see. Let's get this out of the way. Extra film and the packaging on this. All right. Okay. There we go. It's empty. Big hole at the back. I don't know why. Just put this somewhere else. Put it right here. Okay, and oh, I thought you could remove this cloth. Apparently not. So just need to. This is one interesting packaging. This can just stay over there. Okay, so you have a pouch, which is good, always good. Branded. You'll see it, SONY. Inside, little feels like wool type of material, yeah, possibly wool. So nice and comfy on the outside. One of them mesh type of material. If you want to tie it up, you pull it, a string type of pulling type of bags. The cable, two types of connectors, 3.5mm connector, and if you have those big sorry, I don't know the measurement, the big slots for those big sound systems, you can use this one. So you just, I think you all know this about, I'm sure you all know this already, this type of connectors. So you have the options. That's good. The headphone itself, okay, before I get there, again, is the coily type of cable. Man, this thing is long. Yep. Damn. This thing is long, and that's good. So the headset itself, here we have left, right, blue, red. That's good. Anytime you want to pick it up, you know exactly which. Left is blue, red is right. Good. And some writings, same branding, nothing else. And you have your foam. Now they sell extra foams or extra padding for these. Once you hook that up, you're good. You are good. Oh yeah, I forgot the top, got some branding. Studio monitor. So now I don't have any excuse. If my my sound quality is whack, you can blame me for not being professional enough, for not knowing what I'm doing. All right, guys, it's not a new product, but I just thought I'd let you know I got one. Let's move. Before we go, let's see if I can put it in. So you can just, in packaging, all right, so you can just twist it in this way, nice and compact. You just put it in. Add this in, put all the coils in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.